Hello guys, this is Chris and welcome to the channel. Today I'm in the store and I'm gonna be showing you how a Zippo Tower comes shipped. So I'm not talking about the small Zippo Towers, I'm talking about the big ones like this. Our store has already two of them and today we got in our third one. As soon as we're done, I'm gonna make a video to show you all the lighters in the store. We're gonna have over 600 of them. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe so you can get a chance to enter a giveaway of $100 worth of Zippos. As soon as we reach 1,000 subscribers, we're gonna pick a lucky subscriber. I'm gonna go and unbox this baby and be right back. I just removed some of the top and bottom cardboard. I'm just gonna remove the rest of the bottom and top protective pieces, and I'm gonna lift it up. So tower is up. Just gonna remove the keys. We don't want to lose these ones. So this is not too much spring here. I'm gonna have to take the tape out. Have to take some of the protective stickers off. And it's gonna be almost done. Just have to peel these off. Almost done. Zippo Tower is up. Thank you for watching. Can't wait to fill it up. See you soon.